Hello children. Now in previous video we have already solved our lesson number 5. Now today I have some shapes. Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Now what is this? These shapes are arranged in repeated form. Okay. That means I have drawn triangle, then square, then triangle, then square, then triangle. Then what is this? This is a form of pattern. Which form? Pattern form. Okay. Now today's topic is pattern. Pattern means when we draw or color or design or write our numbers in repeated form, that means repeated regularly form, then we said that our number, designs, colors, etc. are in pattern form. Okay. Now watch your video for your activity which is based on pattern. Now open your lesson number 9. Firstly you write date 13 July 21. Then write quotation tit for tat, that means जैसे को तैसा, with one finger gapping. Okay. Then draw line and write in right side CW. Okay. Now in lesson number 9 you have given activity number 1, and in activity number 1 you have given some questions. Okay. Now firstly you write date and CW, then start your work. Okay. Now you have given some pattern are given below. You have given some patterns. Study them carefully. इनको अच्छे से पढ़िए and complete them, और इसको complete करिए. Okay. Now in first number you have given circle. Second number shaded circle, that means colored circle. Third number plain circle. Then colored circle. Then you draw plain circle. Okay, like this. Then you again draw circle, circle, circle. Okay. Now your first number circle is plain, then colored, then plain, then colored, then plain. Then color your circle. You shade your circle with pencil. Okay. And you draw your all shape with the help of pencil, not pen. पेन से आपको नहीं करना. Then plain, then colored. Okay, आपको ये color करना है like this. Now in second number you have given PQR, RQP. पहले क्या है? PQR, then RQP, then you write P Q R then R. ओके. इसी पैटर्न को अप्लाई करना है. PQR, RQP, PQR, R. अगर आगे और होता तो PQ हो जाता. ओके. नाउ R के बाद QP हो जाता है. ठीक है. यहाँ R के बाद QP हो जाता अगर और डैश होता तो. Now in third number you have given square, line, vertical line, square, horizontal line, square, vertical line, square, horizontal line. Then you draw again 4 square. Firstly you draw 4 square with the help of scale. Like this. Okay. Then you draw. You have given vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. Then you draw vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. Okay. Now in third number you have fourth number you have given 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. Then you given 1 box. Then after 1 you draw 2 box. Okay. 2 box like this. then draw 3 box like this, then draw 4 box like this, okay, then draw 1 box, okay. Now you have given in 5th number circle, triangle, circle, triangle, then you draw circle, then triangle, then circle, then triangle, okay. Now in 6th number you have given box, dot, box, डॉट, बॉक्स, डॉट, लेट यू हैव 4 कॉर्नर्स। आपके पास मान लिया यहाँ पे 4 कॉर्नर है, ओके, एंड दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट कॉर्नर, लेट दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट कॉर्नर, नाउ दिस इज़ योर सेकेंड कॉर्नर, थर्ड कॉर्नर, फोर्थ कॉर्नर। नाउ योर डॉट इज़ इन फर्स्ट कॉर्नर, सेकेंड कॉर्नर, थर्ड कॉर्नर, फोर्थ कॉर्नर, देन अगेन फर्स्ट कॉर्नर। नाउ यू ड्रॉ बॉक्स, 4 boxes firstly like this, okay, then you have given first number dot, dot in first corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner, then again first, then you second corner, you apply your dot in third corner, then fourth corner, then again first corner like this, okay. Now you have given in 7th number box, okay, and your box is divided into 4 parts, and first 4 part is colored, then you have given your box divided into 4 part but 3 part only colored, then 2 part colored, then 1 part colored, here nothing, no box colored, here again 1 box colored, then you draw box, okay, and you divide your box into 4 parts, and you draw 1 box, then 2 box, then 3 box, then 4 box, okay. Now you solve your part number 7, 8 and 9 and 10 by yourself. You have given A, double B, double triple C. Now you write 4 times D, that means you have given 1 D, then you write 3 D, then F, D, E, okay. Now you have given in 9th number triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, okay. Now in 10th number you have given square, then your square is divided into 2 parts, then 4 part, then 2 part, then square, then you draw square, 2 part, 4 part, 2 part, square, okay. Now you solve your last question by yourself. Now open your activity number 2. Firstly you write date, classwork, and you have given in first number color and complete the tile pattern. You have given tile pattern. Firstly you complete your tile pattern like this with the help of pencil and scale, okay, and colored your tile with the help of given pattern. इस पैटर्न के हेल्प पे आपको देख देख के इसको कलर करना है, okay. Now you solve your A, B and C part by yourself. ये तीनों आपको खुद से करना है, okay. Now in second number you have given which of the following is a tile pattern. इनमें से कौन सा टाइल पैटर्न है, and you have also given if there are gaps then the pattern is not a tile pattern. अगर आप किसी भी पैटर्न को ड्रॉ करते हैं और उसको ड्रॉ करने पे बीच में गैपिंग आ जाती है, दैट मीन्स योर पैटर्न इज़ नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टाइल, आपका वो पैटर्न टाइल के फॉर्म में नहीं है, ओके. नाउ हियर योर फर्स्ट नंबर इज़ इन टाइल पैटर्न एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज़ ऑल्सो इन टाइल पैटर्न बट थर्ड नंबर इज़ नॉट. वाई? बिकॉज अगर आप देखिए फर्स्ट नंबर में अगर आप ऐसे राइट करेंगे, ड्रॉ करेंगे बॉक्स जो आपको दिया गया है इस तरीके से, तो ये आपका पैटर्न आगे ऐसे बढ़ता चला जाएगा, ठीक है. इसके आगे आप ऐसे इसको बढ़ाते चले जा सकते हैं इस तरीके से, कोई गैपिंग नहीं हो रही है. सेकेंड नंबर पे भी आपको ऐसे ऐसे ओवल शेप दिया गया है, ओवल शेप, और इसमें आप इसी तरीके से आगे आगे ऐसे बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो यहाँ भी कोई गैपिंग नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। जो पैटर्न यहाँ आपको मिला था वही पैटर्न यहाँ भी मिला है, बट थर्ड नंबर में आपको दिया है इस तरीके से बॉक्सेस दिए हैं और उन बॉक्सेस में ऐसे पार्ट्स डिवाइड हैं। ओके, नाउ फिर क्या दिया है, इस तरीके से है, your pattern is like this. Okay, then again you have given your pattern like this. Okay, then again you have given ये आपका ऐसे पैटर्न दिया गया है। ओके, ये इस तरीके से आपका ये पैटर्न दिया है। तो ये पैटर्न जो भी है आपका, ये आपका पैटर्न करेक्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि आप जब इसको ऐसे करेंगे तो ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, ये कोई भी पैटर्न नहीं बन रहा है। दैट मीन्स योर थर्ड नंबर इज रॉन्ग आंसर। ओके, ये गलत आंसर है। नाउ in third number you have given draw the line of symmetry. You know, when we draw line of symmetry, then our figure divided into two equal parts and one part hide the another part. हम लोग जब भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो हमारे फिगर्स को इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड करता है या टू पार्ट्स में इक्वली डिवाइड करता है, एंड उसका वन पार्ट दूसरे पार्ट को हाइड करता है। नाउ इन बेल यू ड्रॉ vertical line with the help of scale, dotted line. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 you have pentagon. Now in pentagon you draw vertical line. Okay, now in this figure you draw vertical line with the help of scale. In middle center से आपको ये draw करना है, and in M में भी आपको ये draw करना है dotted line. Okay, now next you have given your activity number 3, and activity number 3, firstly you write date, classwork, then start your work. Now in first number you have given study the patterns carefully and complete them. You have given in A part 24, then 26, then 28. Now firstly you find the difference of first two numbers 24 26. Okay, 24 और 26 का डिफरेंस क्या है? नाउ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 26 माइनस 24, 6 माइनस 4 इज़ 2, 2 माइनस 2 इज़ 0. दैट मीन्स द डिफरेंस ऑफ फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स इज़ 2. ओके, नाउ योर थर्ड नंबर इज़ 28. द डिफरेंस ऑफ सेकेंड लास्ट एंड सेकेंड नंबर 28 minus 26. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, now here you have given also the difference of last two numbers is 2. That means when we add 2 to the first number, then we get second number, then we get 2, then we get third number. Okay, अगर हम फर्स्ट में 2 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें सेकेंड मिलेगा, सेकेंड में 2 ऐड करेंगे तो थर्ड मिलेगा. Now add 2 numbers. Okay, now 28, 29, 30. So write here 30, 3 0 30. Now after 30, 31, 32. Right here 32, 33, 34. Right here 34, 35, 36. So right here 36. Okay, now in B part you have given 6, 13, 20. Now firstly you find the difference of first two numbers. Here first two number is 6, 13 and 20. Okay, now difference of first two numbers is 13 minus 6 is, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 7. First two numbers का difference क्या है? 7. Now find your last two numbers different. 20 minus 13. 20 minus 13 is also 10 minus 3 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is 0. 7. That means when we add 7 to our number, then we get next number. Okay, now then you add 20 plus 7, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So write here 27. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So write here 34. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So write here 41. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So write here 48. Okay. Now in C part you have given 86, 80, 74. Okay. Now your number are arranged in decreasing order. घटते हुए क्रम में है. When your number is given in increasing order, then you add your number. When your numbers are in decreasing order, then you subtract your number. Okay. Now firstly you find the difference of first two numbers. Here you have given in C part 86, 80, then you have 74. Okay. Now firstly you find first two numbers difference. 86 minus 80. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. That means the difference of first two numbers is 6. Last two numbers 80 minus 74. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 7 minus 7 is 0. 6. Okay, that means 6 subtract करना है because your numbers are given in decreasing order. Okay. Now here you write 74 minus 6. 74 minus 6. Now cut 7, write 6, cut 4, write 14, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8 and 6, 68. So write here 68. Now 68 minus 6 is 8 minus 6 is 2, 6, 62. So write here 62. Okay. Now after 62 subtract 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 and cut 6, write 5, 56. So write here 56. Now 56 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 is 0, 5, 50. Okay, so write here 5. Okay, now your answer is 68, 62, 56, 50. Your answer are arranged in decreasing order. Okay. Now next, in D part you have given 180, 162, 144. Now you solve yourself because your numbers are in decreasing order. Firstly you find difference, then write your answer. Okay, दोनों का difference find out करेंगे, जो मिलेगा उसमें इतना इतना minus करते जाएंगे. Now in E part you have given 15, 30, 45. These are the multiple of 15. 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30, 15 3 जा 45, 15 4 जा 60, 15 5 जा 75, 15 6 जा 90, 15 7 जा 105. Okay. Now in F part you have given 8 6 7, 7 6 7, 6 7 6 6 7, 5 6 7, 4 6 7, 3 6 7, 2 6 7. Okay. Now you fill your answer by yourself. You have given in G part 8, 108, 208, then you write 308, 408, 508, 608. Okay. Now in H part you have given 1600, then 800. That means half of 1600 का half क्या होता है 800. 800 का half 400. 400 का half 200. Okay. 200 का half 100. Half of 100 is 50 and half of 50 is 25. Okay. Now student, you solve your rest part by yourself, and firstly you open your book and solve your activity number 1, activity number 2, activity number 3 in your book, and writing should be neat and clean. You solve only question number 1. Now in next video we solve our question number 2 and rest part. हम लोग next video में इन सारे parts को solve करेंगे. Okay, thank you.